Good day, it's math time again with Mom Leia. And today we're going to talk about dividing numbers by 10, 100, and 1000 without remainder. Try to study the following. 4,530 divided by 10 equals 453. How did we do that? Cancel the same number of zeros in the dividend and in the divisor. The remaining digits of the dividend will be the answer. So like 5,000 divided by 10 is 500, 5,000 divided by 100 equals 50, and 5,000 divided by 1,000 equals 5. When we divide by 10, we have 1 0, so we will cancel 1 0 from 5,000. The answer is 500. When we divide by 100, we have 2 zeros, so we will cancel 2 zeros also from 5,000, so the answer is 50. And when we divide by 1,000, we have 3 zeros, so we will cancel 3 zeros also from 5,000. That is why the answer is 5. More examples. 3,100 divided by 10. 10 has 1 0. So we will cancel 1 0 from 3,100. That is why the answer is 310. And 3,100 divided by 100. We have 2 zeros in 100. So we will cancel also 2 zeros from 3,100. That is why the answer is 31. And when we divide 8,000 by 1,000, we have 3 zeros to cancel in 8,000. That is why the answer is 8. Very easy, right? Now try to find out the quotient of 4,500 divided by 100. Your answer should be 45. If you have the same answer with me, you're doing great. Now let's talk about dividing by 10, 100, and 1,000 with remainder. You will have remainder if the dividend has less zeros than the divisor. For example, 3,500 divided by 1,000. The divisor 1,000 has 3 zeros, while the dividend 3,500 has only 2 zeros. What we're going to do is to move 3 places from right to left of our dividend, and our arrowhead will fall between 3 and 5. So at the left of our arrowhead is 3, that will be the quotient. At the right of the arrowhead is 500, and that is the remainder. Let's take another equation, 4,872 divided by 10. We have 1 0 in 10, but no zeros in our dividend. So we will move 1 place from right to left of our dividend, so our arrowhead will fall between 7 and 2. So at the left of your arrowhead, that is 487, that will be the quotient. And at the right of your arrowhead is 2, that will be the remainder. Next, we have 2,710 divided by 1,000. 1,000 has 3 zeros, so we will move 3 places from right to left of our dividend, and arrowhead will fall between 2 and 7. And at the left is 2, that will be the quotient. At the right of your arrowhead is 710, and that will be the remainder. Now let's take 8,745 divided by 100. 100 has 2 zeros, so we will move 2 places from right to left of our dividend, and the arrowhead will fall between 7 and 4. At the left of the arrowhead is 87, that will be the quotient. At the right of the arrowhead is 45, that will be the remainder. Another one is 9,714 divided by 1,000, and 1,000 has 3 zeros. So we will move 3 places from right to left of our dividend, and arrowhead will fall between 9 and 7. At the left of the arrowhead is 9, that will be the quotient, and at the right is 714, that will be the remainder. Remember, when dividing by 10, 100, and 1,000 with remainder, the number of zeros in the divisor will determine the number of digits in the remainder. View again this video for thorough understanding. Thank you for watching.